How to sign up for Frollo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily sign up or create a new account on Frollo. First of all, download and install the Frollo application if you are doing this on your smartphone and launch it open. Right after you open up the Frollo app, from the home screen or the welcome screen, you need to go tap the register for free button to start the sign up process. Click the continue button and you'll be taken to the Frollo website. From here, you can go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, an email address, and then click on continue. On the next page, create a password for your Frollo account. While creating the password, make sure to meet the criteria displayed underneath the password box. Finally, click continue. Now, you'll need to verify your email address to continue. Go check your email inbox and you'll receive a verification code from Frollo. Click open the email from Frollo and click on the verification code that you received. Copy that, get back to Frollo app and paste it in. Finally, click submit. Now you can secure your application by using Face ID or passcode. Choose any one method and follow the instructions. You'll also need to create a passcode in case something goes wrong, so write down a password for yourself or the passcode for yourself, repeat it once again, and then click finish. Now, you can connect your account. Click connect account button and select a provider to link with. Choose from the menu of the providers list and answer some of the questions. Follow through the instructions. Link with your bank account that you've chosen, and then you will be able to complete the sign up process. You can also link your bank accounts later if you don't want to do that right now. So that is how you can easily and successfully sign up for Frollo account. You can use the app to manage your money, track expenses, and make financial decisions smartly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.